Alright, so for your second skill is you're going to find the unit rate. And first, if you watch this video and you're still confused, you could definitely click here and watch the tutorial. And again, also make sure that you are logged into IXL. So it should always say welcome and then your first name and your last name. So the unit rate, remember, as I told you, is when your fraction or your ratio is in its simplest form, right? So the denominator should always be 1. So for example, here it says find the unit rate. This is 10 push-ups in 2 days. It's asking you how much or how many push-ups in 1 day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to annotate, and what I have on the screen, you could just write it down on your piece of paper. So here we're going to put 10 push-ups, and I'm just going to put P and U in 2 days. So whatever I have down, you could just write this down, and then equals, it's asking you how many push-ups per day, and per day means per 1 day. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up the ratios as a fraction. So it's 10 push-ups for every 2 days. It's asking me how much per 1 day. So how do I get from 2 to 1? I would divide by 2. Anything I do to the bottom, I do to the top. And here I would divide by 2, which means 10 divided by 2 is 5 push-ups. So I'm going to write just P and U just so I don't have to write all of push-ups. But another way to think about it is 10 divided by 2. That gives me 5. So if it's 10 push-ups in 2 days, that means it's 5 push-ups in 1 day. And here is how you could show your work. So we're going to clear this off and write 5 push-ups per day. Alright, on the next example here, it's 18 stickers for 3 pages. Now, some of you might already know what the unit rate is, but if you need help writing this down, here we could write it as a fraction. You have 18 stickers. I'm going to put S for stickers over 3 pages, and I'm going to put P for pages. And we want to figure out how many stickers per page. Per page means 1, right? It's singular. So this would be per 1 page. So how do I get from 3 to 1? We divide by 3, which means anything I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So 18 divided by 3, that gives me 6. 6 stickers. So here, you would put 6 stickers. So as you could see that the unit rate is literally the most simplest form. 18 to 3 means that's 6 to 1. If you were to simplify this, that means you would get your unit rate, and it's always when the denominator is 1. So try your best, see how much you could do. Here you need just a score of 60, but if you need help, just make sure to set this up and always put your second ratio with a denominator of 1.